In New York State, there are over 2.6 million students in public schools, nearly 1.1 million in New York City alone, the nation's largest school district. Through federal school meal programs, children have the opportunity to consume milk during the school day. This milk is critical to providing essential nutrition to children. Studies show that milk is the leading source of 9 essential nutrients for children, including protein, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, vitamins A, B12, D, and riboflavin. Milk consumption is linked with increased nutrient intake, better bone health, and lower rates of obesity in school-aged children. According to a USDA study, consuming milk as a child is also associated with drinking more milk as an adult, resulting in lifelong benefits to consumers and the dairy industry. There's no arguing that milk is the gold standard beverage for New York school children, which makes the decline in fluid milk consumption by this age group very concerning. Data indicate that fluid milk consumption by children ages 2 through 12 has dropped from 1.1 cup equivalents per day in 2009 to just below 0.8 cup equivalents per day in 2017. There are many contributors to this decline, including increasing non-dairy beverage options, decreasing cereal consumption, and effects of demographic shifts in the population. However, studies also show that the quality of the milk drinking experience has a significant impact on how much milk children drink. Videos of spoiled milk recorded by children in schools have gone viral on social media platforms, highlighting how damaging low-quality school milk can be to continued consumption by this age group. Spoilage in school milk is unfortunately more common than spoilage in other sizes of milk made by the same processing facilities. Data from the Milk Quality Improvement Program's Voluntary Shelf Life Program, a Dairy Promotion Board-funded monitoring project, shows that bacteria levels are higher and flavor scores are lower for school milk, exposing the dairy industry's youngest consumers and those with the potential to reverse the downward trend of fluid milk consumption in the future to the worst quality milk. This increased spoilage is driven by higher rates of post-pasteurization contamination in school milk. Pasteurization results in the elimination of heat-sensitive bacteria. However, spoilage bacteria that live in equipment or in the processing environment may recontaminate the milk after pasteurization. This recontamination is called post-pasteurization contamination, or PPC. The bacteria that cause PPC, most commonly Pseudomonas, grow quickly at refrigeration temperatures and break down milk components, resulting in undesirable and unacceptable flavors and odors like putrid, rancid, and fruity fermented, as well as curdling and ropey textures as seen in the video shown earlier. Preventing this contamination is key to improving the quality of school milk and therefore the milk drinking experience for children. The approach employed by the Milk Quality Improvement Program to solve this problem was to partner with the main manufacturers of school milk in New York, which we were able to do because of our long history of working with these facilities through the Voluntary Shelf Life Program. The 4 processors recruited for this project manufacture over 47.5 million cartons of school milk per year combined. Our goals were to understand the prevalence and root causes of PPC in school milk, how distribution pathways from processing facility to schools may impact the quality of the milk, and ultimately to identify and test intervention strategies for reducing premature spoilage in school milk offered to New York children. Outcomes from this project will positively impact the milk drinking experience for children, resulting in happier children and lifelong milk drinkers.